Imagine holding the entire world of computing in the palm of one hand. No bulk, no compromise, just pure, unadulterated power. For years, the tech world has whispered about the perfect device. Not a phone that's too small for real work, and not a massive tablet that feels like carrying a glass tile. We are talking about the Goldilocks zone of technology. Welcome to the era of the iPad Mini 8. If you're watching this, you know the feeling. You felt the frustration of the iPad Pro being too heavy for a long flight, or your iPhone being just a bit too cramped for that detailed spreadsheet or that immersive novel. You've been waiting. And today, the wait for information ends. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are diving into everything. The leaked specs that are shaking the industry, the design overhauls that Apple has kept behind closed doors, and the reason why this specific generation, the Mini 8, is about to become the most important product in Apple's entire ecosystem. Let's be honest for a second. The iPad Mini has often been the neglected middle child. But something changed in Cupertino. The engineers realized that the ultra-portable market isn't just a niche, it's the future. People are tired of being tethered to desks. They want to create, consume, and communicate while moving. That brings us to the heart of the iPad Mini 8. The first thing we have to discuss is the display. For the longest time, the Mini suffered from what we called jelly scrolling. It was a hiccup in the user experience that felt very un-Apple. With the Mini 8, that is ancient history. We are looking at the integration of ProMotion technology. Imagine 120 Hz refresh rates on a canvas this size. Every swipe, every animation, every stroke of the Apple Pencil will feel like it's happening in real time, synchronized with your very thoughts. But it's not just about speed, it's about the panel itself. The rumors of an OLED transition are reaching a fever pitch. Think about those deep, infinite blacks and colors so vivid they look like they're floating on top of the glass. This isn't just a screen, it's a window into another dimension. But a beautiful screen is useless without the brains to back it up. Under the hood, the iPad Mini 8 is rumored to skip the standard chips and go straight for the juggernaut, the M-series silicon. Specifically, the M4. Why does a small tablet need that much power? Because of the A word. Artificial intelligence. Apple Intelligence isn't just a gimmick. It's a fundamental shift in how we use our devices. The Mini 8 is being positioned as the ultimate AI companion. Imagine a device that learns your workflow, summarizes your meetings in real time, and generates complex imagery while you're sitting in a coffee shop, all without breaking a sweat or getting hot in your hands. This is high-performance computing shrunk down into a form factor that fits in a jacket pocket. Now, let's talk about the design language. Apple has mastered the aluminum unibody, but with the Mini 8, the bezels are reportedly getting even thinner. We are talking about an edge-to-edge experience that makes the device feel like you're just holding a sheet of pixels. And for the first time, we are hearing whispers of new color palettes, deep midnight blues, a revived rose gold, and a titanium gray that mirrors the iPhone Pro lineup. It's about prestige. It's about holding a device that feels as expensive as it is capable. But why will people stay for the full 30 minutes? Why is this device causing such a stir? It's the ecosystem. The iPad Mini 8 is expected to bridge the gap between the Mac and the iPhone.